Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong PS2 package na in-order po sa amin. So currently, naka-off po siya. Nakakabit na rin po yung mga accessories that's also included with your package. On lang natin yung unit and lipat na po tayo sa TV screen. So una po ninyo makikita yung free MacBook logo, after niyan OPL. Bali, wala na din po kayong pipindutin. Wait nyo lang din po na mag-load yung ating mga gates. By the way, this order pala is going to Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental. So for the package that you've chosen, this has around 250 games installed. Aside from yung mga games na requested po ninyo, we have installed a few others na rin po. So marami na rin po pa yung mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. Open lang natin isa sa game na, top game na request ninyo. Itong Metal Gear Solid. Now, I'll be sending also separate photos ng mga other inclusions na that we have for your package sa ating chat. So, open na rin po yung ating order. Bali, ipapack na lang namin ito. Then, wait na lang namin yung for pickup. Wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. God's River, 2 years ago, we had classified intelligence that any time. Alright, thank you po. And happy gaming.